Hello, my name is Roger. I'm a solicitor with the Men's Legal Service in Logan, Underwood. So what is the Men's Legal Service? Well, we're essentially a not-for-profit organisation that seeks to assist fathers to be involved in, and continue to be involved in, their children's lives, both during and after family law events that have impacted upon that family's life. How do we do this? Well, it's very simple. We provide low-cost fees to our clients that would traditionally be a lot lower than you would ordinarily find at other law firms. Secondly, we're also a legal aid preferred supplier, which basically means that we have been granted permission by legal aid to make submissions to legal aid on behalf of our clients in order to gain funding for their family law matter. At the Men's Legal Service, we find that the primary reason men come to us is to respond to a domestic violence incident. What we find is that men are not as aware of their rights in domestic violence as they should be. There are a number of things that you should do at first instance if you are involved in a domestic violence incident and you have to respond to an order that has been served upon you. The first is that if you have been served, it is very important that you do not give any information to the police at the time of being served, other than the identifying details such as your name and your date of birth. There is a very good reason for this, and the primary reason, essentially, is the fact that you may inadvertently give the police information that they can use against you at future hearings, mentions, and trials. Secondly, it's very important that you abide by the terms of the domestic violence order as is explained to you by the police. The reason for this is we find that most of our other clients believe that the interim order is not effectually the same as a permanent order, and they go out and try to resolve the situation themselves and find themselves breaching the order. That results, of course, in a criminal offence. Third, it's very important that you seek legal advice as soon as possible, as soon as you've been served. The reason for this is your solicitor may recognise the situation that you are in as being one in which you may have a defence for. And in order to be able to utilise that, it's much easier if you get to your solicitor sooner rather than later. Of course, domestic violence is not the be-all and end-all of the advice that I'm offering to you today. Realistically, the matter can be quite complex. Again, it's very important that you seek legal advice as soon as possible. If you want to know more information, you can call us on 3439-8874. Alternatively, you can go to www.menslegalservice.org.au.